Hello and welcome to the introduction tutorial for our program Artificial Intelligence User Interface AI UI. First, I will give you a short overview of the features of the program itself, and we'll start with projects. Projects are defined by the user itself. Projects consist of workflows that lead to efficiently producing neural networks trained on data delivered by the user. It consists of nodes. You can drag and drop the nodes, and different nodes have different properties. It depends on the node itself. Some deliver a plot, like a histogram node, and some deliver datasets. Most nodes deliver transformed or manipulated datasets. And there are some other nodes like architecture node and training node that are network specific. They carry the training data as well as the artificial neural network architecture. Let's switch over to the next tab, datasets. All datasets created by the user or imported can be shown here. If you switch to show hidden datasets, you will also see all datasets that were created through the workflow process. When you scale a dataset, you create another one. And if you switch this button, you can make this visible. If you double click on a chosen dataset, you get the ability to change the name and type in a description if you want to. Number 3 is architectures. This is our so-called STAM, Systematical and Touchable Architecture Modeler. This is the place where your neural network has to be created. Let's have a look. What you see here is a neural network I have built for a welding process classification task, and it consists of different convolutional networks, layers. All nodes are similar to nodes in the project designer, but each node represents a different type of neural network layer. You can drag and drop them however you want, and if you want to bring it back in shape, click here and you will see it is in a perfect order again. Number 4, models. Models represents the API for AI UI because you need a connectable interface between AI UI and the outer world, external software, to make use of your trained models. For example, if you have a dataset with class names in it, like the iris dataset, you have to change these labels in a way that a machine can read it. You have to label encode it or hard encode it. You need encoders, or you have to reshape your data and so on. And you can do this right here in our API models to pre-process the data coming from an external software into the model and going out from the model back to your external software to make use of the prediction. Okay, and that's it for now. Thank you.